Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make beautiful drawings using easy methods. We'll begin by understanding how simple shapes form the foundation of any artwork. Remember to keep your initial lines very light, allowing for easy corrections. Establishing correct proportions early on is crucial for a balanced and pleasing final piece. This approach helps build confidence and makes the drawing process enjoyable for everyone. Once your basic sketch is complete, it's time to bring your drawing to life with shading. Understanding where your light source is coming from is key to creating convincing shadows. Practice applying varying pressure to your pencil to achieve smooth transitions from light to dark. Experiment with different techniques like cross-hatching or stippling to add interesting textures and depth to your artwork.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these drawing tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more creative content. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your art snacks fresh or just for everyday use. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now that you have your basic shapes and shading, it's time for the exciting part, adding details and refining your drawing. Carefully go over your outlines and introduce those smaller elements that make your artwork unique. Don't forget the power of your eraser. It's excellent for creating bright highlights and sharpening edges. Remember to take breaks and view your work from a distance to catch any areas needing adjustment. If you're feeling adventurous, adding color can truly elevate your drawing. Whether you choose colored pencils, markers, or soft pastels, focus on blending them smoothly for a cohesive look. Layering colors can also add richness and depth. Finally, to preserve your beautiful artwork, consider using a fixative spray. This protects against smudging and ensures your hard work lasts for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.